Hello, I am Philippe Pascal, President of Pearl Bioenergy France. We are at our biomass cogeneration site in Novillars, near Besançon, in the Doubs region. Pearl Bioenergy France is a company with cogeneration, and our core business is to make carbon-free green energy in electricity and steam for industrialists. We have 4 identical facilities in France. This Novillars site produces electricity of up to 20 megawatts that we put back into the RTE public transmission network. And we produce steam for a cardboard manufacturer that manufactures cardboard sheets for packaging. The raw material that you see, the biomass that we use, is wood. It is everything that comes from plant matter. In Franche-Comté, the forest is an important activity, and so we recover the majority of the byproducts of logging. It arrives in the form of logs. It is crushed to be transformed into wafers to be fed automatically into the boiler. This boiler produces steam at 520 degrees and 220 bars, which drives a turbine that produces electricity, and part of the steam that enters the turbine goes to the manufacturer for its packaging paper manufacturing process. Wood is made up of 49% carbon, and it is this carbon that provides the majority of the energy in the boiler. Data is important to monitor the proper functioning of the installation. We charge our customers for energy with steam on one side and electrons on the other. It is thanks to computer data that all invoicing and economic monitoring is done. We have initiated this project to monitor the data of all the different systems that manage our installations on a daily basis. The objective was to have a single tool that collects all the data that comes from different sources, and to be able to have real-time monitoring and control of the operation of the plant, and that it can be accessed at different levels in the company's organization and be available from any location. On a site like this, we have a significant amount of information available. The interest of these tools is to be able to group information, process information. With digitalization, we are no longer using a database-type tool, which means that all the information is available, and it is possible to analyze it in the time frame we want. You can easily create new variables, and it requires much less work. This allows you to have immediate access to information, and to be able to react accordingly in a very active way. It allows us to produce more, since we are able to identify where there are sources of optimization, and to implement actions behind them. And it also allows us to produce better. We increase the lifespan of the equipment. So more and better at the same time. The advantage of being accompanied by a service provider is that the tool is already developed on other sites, and the benefits that have been observed on one site will benefit the others. We therefore benefit from this exchange of information and this feedback from the different sites. We are very satisfied because every day at around 10 a.m., we get the production results of the previous day for all our sites. We have a daily follow-up, and we are much more serene when we see that all the lights are green on our facilities thanks to this system that we have put in place.